Transform your skincare ritual with the Foreo Luna 4. Did you know your skin gathers over 4 kilos of dirt and dead cells annually? Meet the Foreo Luna 4, a 2-in-1 cleansing and massage device that revolutionizes self-care. Clinically designed to remove 99% of impurities, it delivers pure radiance and prepares your skin for optimal absorption of skincare products. Harness cutting-edge T-Sonic technology with customizable cleansing intensities and modes. Whether you have sensitive, combination, or balanced skin, its ultra-gentle silicone bristles ensure a deep, hygienic cleanse while preserving skin's elasticity for a softer and smoother feel. Beyond cleansing, enter the world of tailored massages. Choose from styles like lymphatic drainage or deep tissue massage to diminish puffiness, boost circulation, and reduce fine lines. App-guided routines make every stroke professional, restoring calmness and youthfulness to your skin. With up to 600 uses per charge and a velvety smooth 17% softer silicone design, the Luna 4 blends convenience and luxury. Delight in a device that's portable, easy to clean, and travel-ready, all while offering maximum results. Elevate your skincare routine today with the Foreo Luna 4. Perfect your glow, restore elasticity, and indulge in a moment of effortless sophistication. Click the link below to bring the gift of radiant, youthful skin into your hands. Your skin deserves this luxury. Then click subscribe and like to get more content.